Once is emitted or observed in inelastic scattering of a photon by crystal. Photon obey the statics. See Maxwell-Boltzmann. तीसरा मोनोएटॉमिक linear lattice acts a low pass filter. चौथा optical vibration are produced in the vibration of diamond linear lattice. पांचवा a conic branch is produced in the vibration of diamond linear lattice. छठवां phonons spin is a zero. सातवां in linear monotonic lattice phase velocity is equal to the group velocity b at low frequency. Free electrons theorem and band theory of solids. Drude-Lagrange classical model. The formulation of the theory of metals began well before the announcement of the Pauli principle 1926 and the advent of quantum mechanics 1925. In 1900, Drude was the first to propose a model. 3 years after the discovery of electron by J.J. Thomson, Drude suggested that electric and thermal behavior of metals could be explained by assuming that free electrons exist in the thermal equilibrium with the atoms of metal. Lagrange later gave a logical form of Drude suggested. He assumed that the electron velocity inside a metal obey Maxwell's Boltzmann distribution law. Drude assumed that when metals atoms comes together to form a metal, valence electrons great liberated and move freely within the metal. The remainder of the atoms form positive ions, a core carrying the major portion of the atomic mass. Thus, according to Drude, the metal consists of positive ions core with valence electrons moving freely among these core. The electrons are however bound to move within the metal due to electrostatic attraction within the positive ion core and the electrons. The potential field of this ion core, which is responsible for such an interaction, is assumed to the constant throughout the metal, and the mutual repulsion among the electrons is neglected. The behavior of free electron moving inside the metals is considered to be similar to that of atom or molecules in perfect gas. These free electrons are therefore referred to as free electron gas, and the theory is accordingly named as free electron gas model. The free electrons in metal are also called the conduction electrons, since they are responsible for electric current. The conduction electrons move in a constant potential of positive ions core, which is normally taken as zero. The existence of ion core is ignored. Thus, the total energy of conduction electron is kinetic energy. Thus, a metal is considered as the infinitive box having a uniform positive potential inside which electrons are moving like a free ideal gas. Since the movement of electron is restricted to within the box only because the potential energy of electron inside the box is less than the potential energy of an electron just outside it. Based on the Drude consideration that the electron gas behave as perfect gas, the Lagrange postulate that the electron constituting the electron gas obey Maxwell-Boltzmann statics under equilibrium condition. The combined ideal of Drude and Lagrange constitute the classical theory known as Drude-Lagrange theory. This theory has been explained successfully the Ohm's law and Weyer's law. Besides these success, this theory failed to explain the heat capacity and paramagnetic susceptibility of conduction electron. This difficulty was resolved by Sommerfeld by introduced the Pauli inclusion principle and Fermi-Dirac statics. Sommerfeld wave mechanical model. Sommerfeld tried quantum mechanics and Fermi-Dirac statics investigate the problems of free electron. It is said that the Sommerfeld theory was simply the Lorentz theory with the replacement of quantum mechanics and Fermi-Dirac distribution of classical mechanics and Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. According to Drude and Lorentz, electrons can move freely inside the metal like molecules of an ideal gas, but cannot leave the metal. Sommerfeld modifying the free electron model on the basis of quantum mechanics. According to Sommerfeld model, the metal contains a large number of construction electrons which are not completely free but partially inside the metal. There is a uniform potential, but at the boundaries of metal there is a very large potential barrier so that electron cannot surmount it have leave the metal. It means that the electrons in metals are residing in a potential well. Sommerfeld treatment quantum mechanically the problem of free electron in metal. In this connection, first we treat the problem free electron gas in one-dimensional box, and next it will be extended to actual three-dimensional box. Free electron gas in one-dimensional box consider as electron of mass m confined in one-dimensional box of length L with potential anywhere in the box constant or zero and very high potential in the boundary approaching infinity. So in figure, V of x is equal to x, V 0 is less than x is less than L, V is equal to infinity, V is equal to infinity, x is equal to 0, x is equal to L, V of x is equal to 0 for V 0 is less than x is less than L, V of x is equal to infinity for x is less than or equal to 0 and x is greater than or equal to 0. The Schrödinger equation for the region 0 is less than x is less than L is given by d2 psi bata dx2 plus 2me bata h square psi is equal to 0 1. The general solution of the equation 1 will be psi of x is equal to a sin x kx plus b sin cos kx, where a and b are arbitrarily constant to be determined from the boundary condition, and k is given by h, k is equal to under root 2 m e bata h square 3. The boundary condition are psi of x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L. At x is equal to 0, psi of x is equal to 0, then the equation 2 gives b is equal to 0 and the equation 2 becomes psi of x is equal to a sin kx. At x is equal to L, psi of x is equal to 0, the equation 3 gives sin kl is equal to 0, k is equal to n pi bata L, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Thus the expression 3 for allow wave function becomes psi suffix में n x is equal to a sin n pi bata L of x. The allow energy value can be obtained from equation 4 and 5 इस में n is equal to h square बटा 2m n pi बटा L का whole square is equal to n square h square बटा 8m L square. It means that electron can exist in different discrete energy level with energy E suffix में n and the corresponding wave function psi suffix में n. The contents A in equation 6 can be determined by using the condition that the probability of finding an electron within the box is unity 0 to L sin suffix में n star x sin suffix में n of x is dx is equal to 1. Using equation 6 we get a square 0 to L sin square n pi bata L x dx is equal to 1, a is equal to under root में 2 बटा L. Substituting in the equation 6 we get the normalized wave function psi suffix में n of x is equal to under root में 2 बटा L sin n pi बटा L of x. The position of energy level and shape wave function for the first three level n is equal to 1, 2, 3 for the electrons in one dimensional box are shown in figure 2. Wave function relative स्केल एनर्जी लेवल एनर्जी इज यूनिट एच स्क्वायर बटा के 2m क्वेश्चन में 1 बटा के 2l का होल स्क्वायर एल इक्वल टू 2/3l एनर्जी लेवल क्वांटम नंबर n 3 एल इक्वल टू लैम्डा इक्वल टू एल इक्वल टू 2 बटा के 3l एल इक्वल टू 2l 0 x l आइगन वैल्यू एंड आइगन फंक्शन ऑफ द फर्स्ट 3 स्टेट ऑफ ए n of a free electron confined in the one dimensional potential box. Free electron gas in 3-dimensional box. Now the problem of free electron gas is the actual 3-dimensional box will be solved. The solution of 3-dimensional box can be easily obtained if it is treated as the extension of one-dimensional box x-axis into 3-dimensional x, y, z-axis. Then by the analogy to the one-dimensional box, the Schrödinger equation will be dy square psi बटा dy x square plus dy square psi बटा dy y square plus dy square psi बटा dy z square equal to 2m plus 2mb बटा h square psi is equal to 0. The infinite barrier at bounding surface x, y, z is equal to 0 and L keep the electron confined within the box and gives the following boundary condition for the wave function: psi is equal to 0 for x is equal to 0 and L, y is equal to 0 and L, z is equal to 0 and L. The solution of Schrödinger equation 1 satisfy above boundary condition is given by psi of x, y, z is equal to a sin k x sin k y sin k z is equal to 2, where a is equal to 2 बटा के L के खातिर 3 बटा के 2 is constant and can be determined by normalizing psi. The 3 Cartesian component of wave vector k are given by psi k x is equal to pi बटा के L n x k y pi बटा के L n y k z is equal to pi बटा के L n z, where n s, n y n z is equal to 1, 2, 3. On substituting equation 2 in 1, we get following electron energy state: k is equal to h square बटा के 2m क्वेश्चन में kx square plus ky square plus kz square is equal to h square बटा के 2m k square. Fourth, k square is equal to k x square plus k y square plus k z square. Substituting the value of k x, k y, k z, we get is equal to h square pi square बटा के 2m l square. क्वेश्चन में n x square plus n y square plus n z square is equal to h स्क्वायर बटा के 8ml स्क्वायर. क्वेश्चन में n x स्क्वायर प्लस n y स्क्वायर प्लस n z स्क्वायर इस इसमें n स्क्वायर h स्क्वायर बटा के 8ml स्क्वायर 5 n स्क्वायर n स्क्वायर प्लस n y स्क्वायर प्लस n z स्क्वायर. इलेक्ट्रॉन एनर्जी मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेव वेक्टर. The variation of energy within wave vector is plotted in figure 3. The component k x, k y, k z and n y, n y, n z together within the spin quantum number m x are the quantum number of the problem. The state of an electron is completely specified by the sets of 4 quantum number k x, k y, k z and m x. Filling the energy level as described earlier, the distribution of electrons in allowed energy level follow Pauli exclusion principle. In the present case, we have a set of 4 quantum number k x, k y, k z and m x which present a state of the system. Each state is occupied by the most one electron in it. Also follow from the expression for that as a set of k x, y, k z define an energy level. Now for each set of k x, y, k z, the fourth quantum number can have two value plus minus 1/2. It follows that each energy level contains two quantum states of orbital, hence can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons, one with spin up and other with spin down. In other words, each energy level is double degenerate. Thus, total number of n non-increasing electrons of 0k can be filled in n/2 energy level. The topmost filled level is nth by 2th level and all the level lying above it are empty. This level is known as Fermi level. It divided the field and empty level to zero. At 0K, the energy of the Fermi level or the Fermi energy is denoted by E suffix में F0. The distribution of electrons among the energy level present inside the box at 0K is shown in figure 4. Now we discuss the filling pattern of energy level at temperature higher than absolute zero. It is apparent that for the temperature greater than 0K, the Fermi level may not be the topmost filled level, since some of the electrons from the filling energy level may be excited to the higher level. Thus some of the level below Fermi level would not be empty, while the sum of above it would be occupied. The probability that a particular quantum states of energy E and temperature is filling in the given Fermi Dirac distribution function f of t इक्वल टू 1 बटा के E के खाते बड़का ई माइनस ई सफिक्स में f क्वेश्चन 1 बटे के सफिक्स में b t प्लस 1. हियर ई सफिक्स में f इज द फर्मी एनर्जी. फिगर 5 आर द प्लॉटेड ऑफ f ऑफ e versus E and several value of t including t equal to 0 from this figure as well as from the equation 6. It is clear that t equal to 0, f of e equal to 1 for e is less than or equal to e suffix में f of 0 for e is greater than e suffix में f of 0, where e suffix में f of 0 is the value of e suffix में f at t equal to 0. This means that all energy level below e suffix में f0 are completely filled at all those above in are completely empty at absolute zero temperature. As the temperature is increased, the distribution function begins to depart from the step like characters and tells the of smoothly from unity to zero over an energy range of a few times k सफिक्स में bt around the value of e सफिक्स में f0. Here k सफिक्स में bt is energy which is chemical oscillator again when a temperature is increased by an amount t. At very high temperature, t distribution function loses its step like character and varies much more slowly with energy. Figure 5 so that at high temperature the value e सफिक्स में f shift from e सफिक्स में f0 to the slight lower value. The probability of accumulation f of e decreases gradually from 1 to 0 near e सफिक्स में f. This indicates that some of the states below e सफिक्स में f are empty while some other states above it fills. This is because some of the electrons from the energy state below e सफिक्स में f gain thermal energy and get excited to the states above e सफिक्स में f at t not equal to 0 and e equal to e सफिक्स में f. Equation 5 gives f of e सफिक्स में f equal to 1/2. Thus for non-zero temperature, the Fermi level represents the energy level from the probability of occupation of which is 1/2. Thus unlike e सफिक्स में f0 is not the topmost filled level. Instead it lies halfway between the filled level and empty level, but its metals the energy level are very closely spaced. -10 के खाते -19 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. The Fermi energy level therefore is usually referred as the highest filled energy level. The position of the Fermi level is not fixed but change with temperature. The formula of the change of e सफिक्स में f is given below. e सफिक्स में f of t equal to e सफिक्स में f of 0 क्वेश्चन में 1 माइनस पाई स्क्वायर बटा के 12 k सफिक्स में b t बटा के e सफिक्स में f0 का होल स्क्वायर. Thus the Fermi energy is constant but decreases with very slow as the temperature increases. Similarly, the change in average value of energy of an electron with temperature is given by E bar T equal to E naught bar क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस 5 पाई स्क्वायर बटा के 12, क्वेश्चन में के सब इसमें बी टी बटा के ई सब इसमें एफ जीरो का होल स्क्वायर, वेयर ई सब इसमें 0 बार इज द एवरेज ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ एनर्जी एन इलेक्ट्रॉन एट जीरो के डेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टेट। डेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टेट इज डिफाइंड एज द नंबर ऑफ लेवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टेट विद इन द यूनिट एनर्जी रेंज about a particular value of energy, but the actual importance is to know the number of electron lines within the unity energy range about certain energy value to know n of E dE, that the number of electrons in range dE about an energy E. We have to know the two things, G of E dE, which is the number of state available about E is the average dE, and 2 F of E dE, which is the probability of filling the state in G of E by electron. Thus we get n of E dE is equal to F of E G E. Now to calculate the density of state in range E सब इसमें K and E सब इसमें K plus DE, the plot in 3D space value K square is equal to K सब इसमें X square plus K सब इसमें Y square plus K सब इसमें Z square, where all possible value of K सब इसमें X, K सब इसमें Y, K सब इसमें light by positive oscillate the K space as shown in figure 6. K E सब इसमें K प्लस डी के, क्वेश्चन में ई सब इसमें K प्लस डी ई, K सब इसमें X, रेडियस K प्लस डी के सब इसमें Y. Lattice of allowed electrons were vector in K space representing electron state. Equation 3 and 4 shown that there is one electron state value pi बटा के L का whole cube of the K space. Now we calculate the number of states in the thin shell of octant enclosed between the energy surface E suffix में K and E suffix में K plus DE. The number of states is obtained by dividing the value of the thin shell of the octant by the value of associate with a single state 1/8. क्वेश्चन में 4 पाई के स्क्वायर डी के बटा के पाई बटा के L का होल क्यूब. द करेक्ट नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल स्टेट इज ट्वाइस इज दिस नंबर, सिंस द पाउली प्रिंसिपल अलाउड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विथ अपोजिट स्पिन टू द accommodated in a single orbital designed by K value. The 2 electrons in an orbital are said to be different states that are generated. Therefore, the density of state is given by G of E dE is equal to 2 1/8. क्वेश्चन में 4 पाई के स्क्वायर डी के बटा के पाई बटा के L का होल क्यूब इक्वल टू L क्यूब बटा के पाई स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर डी के L क्यूब इक्वल टू V वैल्यू इक्वल टू V बटा के 2 पाई स्क्वायर. क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के H स्क्वायर के खाते 3/2 E के खाते 1/2 DE यूजिंग इस में K इक्वल टू H स्क्वायर बटा के 2m K स्क्वायर G ऑफ E DE इक्वल टू V बटा के 2 पाई स्क्वायर. क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के H स्क्वायर के खाते 3/2 E के खाते 1/2 DE. Do the density of state per unit volume is given by G of E DE बटा के V इक्वल टू 1/2 पाई स्क्वायर 2m बटा के H स्क्वायर खाते 3/2 E खाते 1/2 DE. The density of state of the function energy graphical represent in figure 7. डेंसिटी स्टेज वर्सेज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एनर्जी ये फिगर है. पैरामीटर ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन गैस एट T इक्वल टू 0. नाउ वी डिस्कस सम पैरामीटर ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन गैस एज एब्सोल्यूट 0. पहला फर्मी एनर्जी ई सफिक्स में F0. द टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन बी ऑब्टेन बाय इंटीग्रेटिंग इक्वेशन 1 ऑफ 5 n इक्वल टू 0 to infinity n of E dE इक्वल टू 0 to infinity G of E F E dE. Substituting for G of E dE from equation 2 of 5 and using F of E is equal to 1 for E is less than or equal to E of 0 for E is greater than E of E n 0 to E of 0 G of E F of E dE plus E of 0 to infinity G of E F of E dE is equal to 0 to E of 0 G of E 1 dE plus E of 0 to infinity G of E जीरो डी ई इक्वल टू वी बटा 2 पाई स्क्वायर 2m बटा के स्क्वायर घाते 3/2 0 टू ई ऑफ 0 ई घाते 1/2 डी एन इक्वल टू वी बटा के 3 पाई स्क्वायर 2m बटा के स्क्वायर घाते 3/2 ई ऑफ 0 घाते 3/2 ई ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर बटा 2m क्वेश्चन में 3 पाई स्क्वायर एन बटा के वी घाते 2/3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पुटिंग एन बटा के वी इक्वल टू एन द इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ई ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर बटा 2m क्वेश्चन में 3 पाई स्क्वायर एन के घाते 2/3 do the relation is used to calculate the Fermi energy of metal known concentration n. This relation also shows that the electrons have some definition energy even at absolute zero and suggested by classical theory. The average kinetic energy of an electron is 0 bar at the absolute zero. The average energy of an electron is given by E 0 bar equal to 1/n 0 to infinity E n of E dE equal to 1/n 0 to infinity E g of E f of E dE. Substituting for g of E dE from the equation 2 and 5 using f of E equal to 1 for E is less than or equal to f of 0 for E is greater than f of 0 E 0 bar equal to 1/n 0 to E f of 0 E g of E 1 dE plus 1/n E f of 0 to infinity g of E E g of E 0 dE 0 बार इक्वल टू वी बटा के 2 पाई स्क्वायर एन क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के एच स्क्वायर के हाथे 3/2 0 टू ई ऑफ 0 ई के हाथे 3/2 डी ई बार नॉट इक्वल टू वी बटा के 2 पाई स्क्वायर एन क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के एच स्क्वायर के हाथे 3/2 2 बटा के 5 ई ऑफ 0 के हाथे 5/2 यूजिंग एन इक्वल टू वी अपॉन 3 पाई स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के एच स्क्वायर के हाथे 3/2 ई ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू 3 के हाथे 3/2 ई 0 बार इक्वल टू 3/5 ई ऑफ 0 3 द रिलेशन एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टू फर्मी energy at absolute zero. Velocity and wavelength of an electron's Fermi level. If v of 0 is the velocity of an electrons at the Fermi level, then its kinetic energy 1/2 mv square f0 equal to E of 0 equal to h square बटा 2m क्वेश्चन में 3 पाई स्क्वायर n के घाते 2/3 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 v of 0 equal to h बटा के m क्वेश्चन में 3 पाई स्क्वायर n के घाते 1/3. Similarly, average velocity of the electron v 0 bar is given by 1/2 mv square equal to E naught bar equal to 3/5 E f of 0 from equation 3 E v bar v naught bar equal to 6/5 m E f of 0 घाते 1/2 equal to √3/5 h बटा के m 3 पाई स्क्वायर n के घाते 1/2 v naught bar equal to √3/5 v f of 0. For wavelength at Fermi level, we have from the Bernoulli relation h delta f of 0 equal to h बटा के m v f of naught equal to 2 pi h बटा के m v f of naught equal to 2 pi क्वेश्चन में h बटा के m बटा के h बटा के m दूसरे क्वेश्चन में 3 पाई स्क्वायर n घाते 1/3 equal to 8 पाई बटा के 3n के घाते 1/3 from far Fermi wave vector from equation 2 we have E f of 0 equal to h square बटा 2m क्वेश्चन में 3 पाई स्क्वायर n के घाते 2/3 equal to h square के स्क्वायर f of 0 बटा 2m E f of 0 equal to 3 पाई स्क्वायर n घाते 1/3. Electronics specific heat. The average kinetic energy of a free electron have given classical statical mechanics is E naught bar equal to 3/2 K suffix में b t. The metal contains n free electron, then the total kinetic energy becomes E equal to n E naught bar equal to 3/2 n K suffix में b t. The electronic specific heat for the metal is given by C suffix में p equal to d बटा dt equal to 3/2 n suffix में kb. For 1 gram atom of the metal is C suffix में b equal to 3/2 n suffix में a K suffix में b equal to 3/2 r. Where n suffix में a is Avogadro number and r is gas constant 2 calorie. The specific heat due to n suffix में a ions is the lattice is given as 3r as given by Dulong's Petit's law. Thus the specific heat of a material with n suffix में a ions and n suffix में a electron must be equal 3r plus 3/2 r equal to 9/2 r equal to 9 calorie प्रति मोल केल. The lattice contribution of specific heat is very much temperature dependent. Experimentally, the contribution of electronic specific heat has been found much smaller than 3/2 r. 100 से 200 times less. Also the contribution decreases linearity to zero at temperature approach zero. Further explanation is required regarding this. For this we have the consider Fermi-Dirac distribution. When metal is heated up to Tk, all electrons do not get an energy of k Bt, but only those electrons which lies within the energy रेंज ई सब इसमें एफ माइनस के सब इसमें बी टी टू ई सब इसमें एफ गेट दिस एडिशनल एनर्जी एंड सम ऑफ देम क्रॉस द ई सब इसमें एफ दोज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लाइंग मच बिलो ई सब इसमें एफ विल नॉट बी अफेक्टेड बाय द सप्लाई ऑफ दिस एनर्जी. द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लाइंग बिटवीन ई सब इसमें एफ माइनस के सब इसमें बी टी एंड ई सब इसमें एफ विल बी इक्वल टू के सब इसमें बी टी बटा के ई सब इसमें एफ फ्रैक्शन of the total number of electrons. So the accepted increase in the energy equal 3 बटा के 2 क्वेश्चन में n के इसमें b t बटा के इसमें अब क्वेश्चन 1 के इसमें b t इक्वल टू 3 बटा के 2 n के इसमें b का स्क्वायर बटा के इसमें अब t स्क्वायर. Therefore the specific heat is given by c सब इसमें v इक्वल टू de बटा के dt इक्वल टू 3 बटा के 2 क्वेश्चन में n सब इसमें k b का स्क्वायर बटा के इसमें अब 2t इक्वल टू 3 के सब इसमें b स्क्वायर बटा के 3 f 3 सब इसमें अब t. The above equation 2 shows that a electronics specific heat is temperature depends and linearity varies with T and B. Numerically it is much smaller than that given by equation. The reduction is magnitude of specific heat is mainly due to the factor K में B T बटा इसमें अब if T is equal to 200 K एंड इस में अब इसको 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट के में बी टी बटा के इस में अब इसको 1 बटा के 100 एंड दिस रिड्यूसिंग द रिजल्ट बाय फैक्टर ऑफ 1 बटा के 200 कंपैरिजन विथ दैट कैलकुलेशन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 इन व्यू ऑफ बेटर अरेंजमेंट विथ एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यू ऑफ द प्रेडिकेटिंग द टेम्परेचर डिपेंड्स ऑन स्पेसिफिक हीट ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इक्वेशन 2 ऑफर एन इम्प्रूवमेंट ओवर इक्वेशन 1 but still there is a departure of the theoretical value for the experimental result. This therefore the theoretical consideration used in derivation of equation 2 have the improved. The problem is now reconsidered on the basis of average energy on a electron in metal at temperature T, which is given by E of T equal to E naught bar क्वेश्चन में 1 + 5 पाई स्क्वायर बटा 12 क्वेश्चन में कैसे में बी टी बटा के E naught का होल स्क्वायर. Therefore electronic specific heat of an electron इसी सब में b equal to E बार बटा के dt इक्वल टू 5 पाई स्क्वायर के में b स्क्वायर टी E naught बार बटा के 6 E f0 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू पाई स्क्वायर के में बी टी बटा के 2 E f0 के में बी ऑन सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग E naught बार इक्वल टू 3 बटा के 5 E f0 इक्वल टू पाई स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में t बटा के 2 टी सब इसमें एफ के बी ऑन सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग ई सब इसमें f0 इक्वल टू के बी टी ई इक्वल टू पाई स्क्वायर बटा के 2 क्वेश्चन में टी बटा के टी सब इसमें एफ के बी इक्वल टू पाई स्क्वायर बटा के 2 क्वेश्चन में के सब इसमें बी बटा के टी सब इसमें एफ इंटू टी. देयर द n इलेक्ट्रॉन मेटल इज स्पेसिफाइड हीट इज गिवन बाय सी सब इसमें बी इलेक्ट्रॉन इक्वल टू पाई स्क्वायर बटा के 2 n सब इसमें n के सब इसमें बी बटा के टी सब इसमें एफ टी बाई टी गामा इक्वल टू पाई स्क्वायर बटा के 2 n सब इसमें n के सब इसमें बी बटा के टी सब इसमें एफ सी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज linearly depends on T. Thus the total specific heat of the metal is given by total specific heat equal to lattice specific heat plus electronic specific heat. C सब इसमें v total इक्वल टू C सब v lattice plus C सब v electron C सब v total इक्वल टू A सब A T AT3 plus gamma T. Specific heat discharge temperature has been plotted in figure 8. From figure 8 is the concluded that a low temperature and the electronic contribution of a specific heat more than the lattice contribution, but at high temperature lattice contribute in much more than electronics contribution. At the temperature some temperature they becomes equal. C sub is total lattice electronics T sub T आपके that various contribution to specific heat versus temperature. paramagnetic susceptibility of conduction electrons. A weak paramagnetic effect of exhibited by alkyl metal which is distributed to conduction electron. To explain this qualitatively, we follow Pauli principle. In the absence of magnetic field, all the n electrons at absolute zero will occupy the lowest n/2 level. So in figure 9a, the highest field level will be Fermi level with energy E sub इसमें F0 when the magnetic field H is applied. Electrons will have spin parallel and anti-parallel to it. The energy of each electron will parallel spin in lowered by an amount beta H, where beta is equal to E H बटा के 4 pi mc. In the Bohr magnetic, the energy of electrons will anti-parallel spin will be increased by same amount of as shown in figure 9b. This situation is unsuitable because for equilibrium of two held must be filled up to the same level. Therefore, for equilibrium to be stabilized, sum of electrons will anti-parallel spin will shift over to those of the parallel type of energy of system will be decreased for each electron changing over the two parallel type. The energy decreases by an amount to beta H. Since only one state can be occupied by only one electrons will give spin. The electrons suffering the reversal must occupy the vacant stage situated above the state occupied by the electrons with parallel spin. The causes an increase the kinetic energy. The equilibrium distribution of electrons is reached when the increasing in kinetic energy the energy decreases in magnetic energy, and both type of level are filled to exactly the same point of the energy scale as shown in figure 9c. More electrons have their magnetic moment directly parallel to magnetic field than anti-parallel to, and hence paramagnetic effect as the electrons gas obey the Fermi-Dirac static at low temperature. The paramagnetic behavior is almost depend upon the temperature. Anti-parallel, parallel, anti-parallel, parallel, anti-parallel, parallel. EF of 0, A, B, T, to beta electronegative displacement of energy level of spin parallel and anti-parallel to applied magnetic field. More electrons have their magnetic moment direct parallel to the magnetic field than anti-parallel to it, and hence paramagnetic effect at the electrons gas obey the Fermi-Dirac static at low temperature. The paramagnetic behavior is A almost independent of temperature. Now we calculate paramagnetic susceptibility X sub इसमें P, let N sub इसमें P and N sub इसमें A be the concentration of electron will their spin parallel and anti-parallel to the magnetic field respectively. Then N sub इसमें P is equal to 1/2 minus beta H to E sub इसमें F0 F of E G of E plus beta H dE, where 1/2 G is plus beta H is the density of state parallel spin orientation with allowance for the downward shift of energy by beta H. Now N of E F of E is equal to 1 throughout the interval and integration at t is equal to 0. The density of state of unit volume is given by G question में E plus beta H dE is equal to 1/pi square 2 pi square 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर खाते 3/2 E plus beta H के खाते 1/2 dE. यहाँ से P इक्वल टू 1/4 पाई स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर खाते 3/2 माइनस बीटा H टू E ऑफ नॉट क्वेश्चन में E प्लस बीटा H खाते 1/2 dE. सिमिलर फॉर एंटी पैरेलल स्पिन यहाँ से इसमें h इक्वल टू 1/4 पाई स्क्वायर 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर खाते 3/2 बीटा H टू E ऑफ नॉट क्वेश्चन में E माइनस बीटा H के खाते 1/2 dE. सिंस बीटा H इज मच लेस देन द few state is equal to 0, the lowest limit in both the above integration can be replaced by the 0, therefore the magnetization m इक्वल टू बीटा क्वेश्चन में एन सफिक्स में p माइनस एन सफिक्स में a इक्वल टू बीटा बटा के 4 पाई स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर खाते 3 बटा 2 0 टू e एफ नॉट क्वेश्चन में e प्लस बीटा h खाते 1/2 माइनस e क्वेश्चन में e माइनस बीटा h खाते 1/2 de इक्वल टू बीटा बटा के 4 पाई स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर खाते 3 बटा 2 0 टू e एफ नॉट e खाते 1/2 क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस बीटा h बटा के e खाते 1/2 माइनस 1 क्वेश्चन में 1 माइनस बीटा h बटा के e खाते 1/2 de इक्वल टू बीटा बटा के 4 पाई स्क्वायर 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर खाते 3 बटा 2 0 टू e एफ नॉट e खाते 1/2 क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस बीटा h बटा के 2e माइनस क्वेश्चन में 1 माइनस बीटा h बटा के 2e de इक्वल टू बीटा बटा के 4 पाई स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर खाते 3 बटा 2 0 टू e एफ नॉट बीटा h e के खाते माइनस 1/2 de m इक्वल टू बीटा स्क्वायर बटा के 2 पाई स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर खाते 3 बटा 2 h e एफ नॉट के खाते 1/2 ससेप्टिबिलिटी x सफिक्स में p इक्वल टू m बटा के h इक्वल टू बीटा स्क्वायर बटा के 2 पाई स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर खाते 3 बटा 2 e सफिक्स में एफ नॉट के खाते 1/2 फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन 2 ऑफ 6 e एफ नॉट इक्वल टू h स्क्वायर बटा के 2m क्वेश्चन में 3 पाई स्क्वायर n के खाते 2 बटा 3 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर के खाते 3 बटा 2 इक्वल टू 3 पाई स्क्वायर n बटा के 3 एफ नॉट के खाते 3 बटा 2 x सफिक्स में p इक्वल टू 3 बीटा स्क्वायर n बटा के 3 2 एफ नॉट एफ 0 इक्वल टू 3 बीटा स्क्वायर n बटा के 2 k सफिक्स में b t सफिक्स में 0 द एबव रिजल्ट इज कॉल्ड पाउली पैरामैग्नेटिज्म फार्मूला एंड इट ट्रू फॉर t इक्वल टू 0 हाफ इफेक्ट इन मिल्टल्स इफ ए थिन रेक्टेंगुलर ब्लॉक ऑफ ए मेटल ऑफ 6 फेज 3 पेयर्स ऑफ अपोजिट फेज इन टेकन एड इलेक्ट्रिक करेंट इन पासेज इन ए डायरेक्शन perpendicular to one pair of the phase and magnetic field is applied on the sample in the direction perpendicular to other pair of phase, then an electric voltage is developed on the opposite face of third pair of phase as shown in figure. Thus the appearance of electric potential between the opposite phase of the metal block under the given condition is called Hall effect. Experiment arrangement of Hall effect यही है प्लस 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 माइनस माइनस एच द बेसिस एक्सपेरिमेंट अरेंजमेंट ऑफ ऑब्जर्विंग द हॉल इफेक्ट इज शोन इन फिगर 10 इन फिगर 10 आई सफिक्स में x रिप्रेजेंटेड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करेंट एंड h shows the direction of magnetic field when an electric field is applied in along positive x-axis and in the absence of magnetic field electrons are flowing along negative x-axis. In this case the current density is given by j sub minus n e sub v sub x where v sub x is the average drift velocity of the electron when magnetic field is applied on the crystal of or metallic blocks. Every electrons will experiment Lorentz force which is expressed as f बराबर माइनस c क्वेश्चन में v क्रॉस h 1. The above equation can be resolved into x, y and z components and can be written as I f सफिक्स में x प्लस j f सफिक्स में y प्लस k f सफिक्स में z इक्वल टू e माइनस c क्वेश्चन में I v सफिक्स में x प्लस j v सफिक्स में y प्लस k v सफिक्स में x गुणे I h सफिक्स में x प्लस j h सफिक्स में y प्लस k h सफिक्स में z इक्वल टू माइनस e क्वेश्चन में 0 प्लस k v सफिक्स में x h y सफिक्स में y माइनस j v सफिक्स में x h सफिक्स में z क्रॉस माइनस के भी सफिक्स में वाई एच सफिक्स में एच प्लस 0 प्लस आई भी सफिक्स में वाई एच सफिक्स में जेड क्रॉस जे भी सफिक्स में जेड एच सफिक्स में एक्स माइनस आई भी सफिक्स में जेड एच सफिक्स में वाई प्लस 0 इक्वेटिंग द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ आई कामा जे एंड के ऑन द बोथ साइड हैव इक्वेशन एंड रिमेंबरिंग that applied magnetic field H is directed along the z direction only the so compounded H sub में H and F sub में Y equal to 0 taking B sub में Y equal to B sub में Z equal to 0 we get F sub में X equal to 0 F sub में Y equal to E sub में Vx H sub में Z F sub में Z equal to 0. Thus force on the charged electrons is Y direction is given by F sub में Y equal to E V sub में X H sub में Z. Thus the under effect of Lorentz force the electrons are acceleration toward the negative y axis. Thus electrons and accumulated along negative y direction the produce an electric field known as half electric Hall effective field which opposed the Lorentz force. The accumulation process continue until the electric force balance the Lorentz force. If E sub H is the Hall electric field, then F sub E sub E is equal to E sub H, then E sub F of E sub Y is equal to F of E sub E B sub X H sub Z is equal to E बड़का E sub H B sub H S sub Z is equal to E sub H. Dividing equation 1 and 2 we get E sub H बटा के J sub H is equal to minus H sub Z बटा के N E E sub H is equal to minus H sub Z बटा के N E J sub X is equal to R sub H J sub H sub H sub Z, where R sub H is equal to minus 1 बटा के N E is called Hall coefficient. If it is also seen that E sub H Hall effect is proportional to J sub X and J sub H sub Z, it may note that R sub H has the same sign as that the charge carrier. In above cases, the electrons is considering at charge carrier and R sub H is negative. In case of holes as a charge carrier, R suffix H is positive. R suffix H is very important quantity. It is the quantity that tells about the nature of the charge carrier, whether positive or negative, which is very important when one works with semiconductor. Another important thing in gives the number of charge carrier per unit volume. Consideration of charge carrier R suffix H is generally called the half coefficient, but Hall coefficient R suffix H is combination with the other quality. Define many other useful terms from equation 3. R suffix H equal to E suffix H बटा के J suffix X S suffix H, which can be written as R suffix H equal to J R suffix H बटा के R suffix H into Z H suffix Z equal to E suffix H बटा के Z suffix X. The RHS of equation 4 is the ratio of electric field to current density and make represent kinds of electric resistance. The quality R sub H S sub Z is called the half resistance. This term is generally used in 2D half effect problem where J sub X is surface charge density. Further, the combining R sub H with either electric conductivity sigma, the conductivity is given by sigma is equal to N E mu, where mu is mobility, mu is equal to sigma bata N E. We get mobility in the term of half coefficient mu is equal to sigma. Another quality connected with the Hall effect in the Hall angle. When the Hall current is flowing, there are two electric field E sub X, E sub Y, similarities on the charge. E suffix X is caused by the applied electric field and E suffix Y is the cause of Hall electric field. If a charge carrier is moving under the action of two electric field, the resultant path it will take will be at some angles with x direction or direction of E suffix X. This angle is denoted by phi, and tan phi is equal to E suffix Y bata E suffix X. That is the ratio of field in y and x direction. Origin of bond theory. The free electron theory successfully explains the various electronics and thermal properties of metals such that specific heat, paramagnetism, etc. However, there is a various other property which could not be explained by free electron model. For example, the theory fails to explain why some solid are conductor, some are semiconductor, while some are insulator. One-dimensional represent of periodic potential experiments by an electron is perfectly periodic crystal lattice with lattice constant surface B sub X A X. The failure of free electron model is due over simplify assumption that a electron is in a metal experiments a constant potential or zero potential due to ions core, and hence is free to move in a crystal. In fact, the potential due to ion core is not constant and may change with position of electron in the crystal. Therefore, free electrons theory must be modified. One way to modify the free electron theory is to take into account of periodic potential with the periodicity of the lattice. Thus, the potential experiment by electron in an crystal is assumed to be periodic with period equal to lattice constant as shown in figure 11. For one-dimensional case, the potential contribution due to all over other free electrons may be taken as constant. This type of periodic potential extends up to infinity in all directions except at the surface of crystal. The potential at the surface is injured. This is because the lattice specific is not quite uniform at the surface. The periodic potential formed the basis of band theory. Solid behavior of an electron is this potential is described by constructing the electron's wave function using one electron approximation. We first determine the electron's wave function of a periodic lattice. Bloch's theorem. This is the mathematical statement regarding the form of the one electron wave function for a perfectly periodic potential. It states that if an electron is linear lattice of lattice constant and characterized by potential function v of x is equal to v cosine x plus a, satisfy the Schrödinger equation d2 psi x बटा dx2 plus 2m बटा x square cosine e minus v of x psi of x is equal to 0. Then the function psi of x electrons with energy E obtained as a solution of Schrödinger equation of R. The form psi of x equal to u सफिक्स में k of x खाते x बटा के x I k x with u सफिक्स में k x u सफिक्स में k cosine x plus a. Proof the Schrödinger equation d2 psi of x बटा dx square plus 2m बटा x square cosine e minus v of x psi of x equal to 0. Replacing x by x plus a d2 psi बटा d cosine x plus a का square plus 2m बटा x square cosine e minus v cosine x plus a psi of x plus a is equal to 0. d by dx plus a is equal to d बटा dx v cosine x plus a is equal to v of x. Equation 2 may be expressed as d2 psi cosine x plus a बटा dx square plus 2m बटा x square cosine e minus v of x plus a psi of x plus a is equal to 0. The equation show that psi of x plus a is also a solution Schrödinger equation with the same energy. The suggested psi of x plus a are related as psi of x plus a is equal to a psi of x, where a is complex. Replacing x by x plus a, this is in equation 4. Psi of cosine x plus 2a is equal to a psi of x plus a. Using equation 4 we get psi of x plus 2a is equal to a square psi of x plus n is equal to a घाते n psi of x. This we impose boundary condition psi of x plus n is equal to psi of x. We get a घाते n is equal to 1 e घाते I 2 pi with p is equal to 0 comma plus minus 1 comma plus minus 2 comma plus minus 3. A is equal to e घाते I 2 pi p घाते 1 by n is equal to e I घाते 2 pi p बटा के n. A can assume n difference value e घाते 0 e घाते 2 pi I बटा n e घाते 2 pi I कोष्टक में n minus 1 बटा के n. The next possible value of a with p equal to n is the same the first one with p0. Thus only the successive value of a are to be considering in the this way. Psi of x plus a is equal to e घाते I 2 pi p बटा के n psi of x, where p takes only integral value 0 to n minus 1. This is more covariant to write psi of x in terms of another function u सफिक्स में k of x defined by the equation psi of x is equal to u सफिक्स में k of x is घाते I k x k is equal to 2 pi p बटा के n is equal to 2 pi p बटा के l. Now where l is equal to n is the length of crystal, we write equation 7 using equation e के घाते I k कोष्टक में x plus a u सफिक्स में k x plus a is equal to e घाते I 2 pi p बटा के एन यू सफिक्स में के एक्स ई के खाते आई के एक्स ई के खाते आई के एक्स यू सफिक्स में के क्वेश्चन एक्स प्लस एच को ई के खाते 2 पाई पी बटा के एन यू सफिक्स में के एक्स यूजिंग इक्वेशन 9 इन इक्वेशन 10 गिव्स ई के खाते आई के ए यू सफिक्स में के क्वेश्चन एक्स प्लस एच को ई के खाते आई के ए यू सफिक्स में के एक्स यू सफिक्स में के क्वेश्चन एक्स प्लस एच को यू सफिक्स में के एक्स द वेव फंक्शन रिप्रेजेंटेड द बाय द इक्वेशन ऑफ 8 इन इक्विवेलेंट टू द प्लेन modulation by a function u suffix में k x with periodically on the lattice. The wave function 8 is called Bloch function, and Bloch theorem that phi of x can be written as a product of e के खाते I k x and periodically the function u suffix में k x is also called the frequency theorem. Kroning-Peierls model. This model of an infinite one-dimensional crystal is used to study the behavior of an electrons in a periodic potential. It assumes that the potential of electrons in an infinitely one-dimensional array are positive nuclei as the periodic array of square wells with period of a plus b as shown in figure 12. Knocking and Pini used this model to arrive at an exact solution of the Schrödinger equation. The idealized periodic potential of this model is called approximation to that actually found in crystal V0 minus B0 V of x unit cell a plus b one dimensional ideal periodic square well potential introduced by Kroning and Pini as shown in figure. For the region 0 is less than x is less than a, the potential energy is 0 and the wave function is this region can be obtained by solving the Schrödinger equation d2 psi बटा ds स्क्वायर प्लस 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर d psi e psi is equal to 0 is less than x is less than a. For the region minus b is less than x is less than 0, the potential energy is assumed to be v naught and the wave function in the region can be obtained by solving the Schrödinger equation d2 psi बटा dx2 plus 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन e minus v naught क्वेश्चन psi is equal to 0 for minus b less than x is less than 0 to assuming that the energy E and electrons is less than v naught. We define two quantities at a alpha and beta is alpha square is equal to 2 बटा के 2m बटा के h स्क्वायर and beta स्क्वायर is equal to 2m बटा क्वेश्चन में v naught minus c बटा के h स्क्वायर. इक्वेशन नंबर 3 देन इक्वेशन 1 and 2 we write d2 psi बटा के dx2 plus a स्क्वायर psi is equal to 0 for 0 is less than x is less than a. 4 d2 psi बटा dx2 plus beta square psi is equal to 0 for minus b is less than x is less than 0. 5 since the potential is periodic the wave function must be form of Bloch function psi of x is equal to u suffix में k of x e के खाते I k x. 6 where u suffix में k of x is periodic function in the x with periodically a plus b u suffix में k x is equal to u suffix में k question x plus a plus b. Substituting equation 6 in equation 4 and 5 we get d2 u1 बटा dx स्क्वायर प्लस 2 i k d2 u1 बटा dx क्वेश्चन में a स्क्वायर माइनस k स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन 1 u1 is equal to 0 for u 0 is less than x is less than a d2 u2 बटा dx स्क्वायर प्लस 2 i k d2 u2 बटा dx माइनस बीटा क्वेश्चन में बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस k स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में u2 is equal to 0 for minus b is less than x is less than 0 where u1 and u2 represent the value of u suffix में kx is interval 0 is less than x is less than a and minus b is less than x is less than 0 respectively. The general solution of this equation u1 is equal to a e के खाते i क्वेश्चन में a माइनस के x प्लस b e के खाते माइनस i क्वेश्चन में a प्लस के x for 0 is less than x is less than ए u2 इक्वल टू सी ई के खाते क्वेश्चन में बीटा माइनस आई के क्वेश्चन बन एक्स एंड डी ई के खाते माइनस बीटा प्लस आई के एक्स फॉर माइनस बी इज लेस देन एक्स इज लेस देन 0 वेयर ए कामा बी कामा सी एंड कांस्टेंट विथ द डिटरमाइंड फार्म बाउंड्री कंडीशन u1 x इक्वल टू u2 x इक्वल टू 0 डी u1 बटा डी एक्स एक्स इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल टू डी u2 बटा डी एक्स एक्स इक्वल टू 0 u1 कोष्टक में x इक्वल टू ए इक्वल टू u2 x इक्वल टू बी माइनस बी डी u1 बटा डी एक्स एक्स इक्वल टू ए इक्वल टू डी u2 बटा डी एक्स एक्स इक्वल टू माइनस बी 12 द बाउंड्री कंडीशन 11 एंड 12 अप्लाइड द क्वेश्चन 9 एंड 10 वी गेट ए प्लस बी इक्वल टू सी प्लस डी आई क्वेश्चन में अल्फा माइनस के क्वेश्चन ए माइनस आई क्वेश्चन में अल्फा ए अल्फा प्लस के क्वेश्चन बी इक्वल टू बीटा माइनस आई के क्वेश्चन सी माइनस बीटा प्लस आई के क्वेश्चन डी ए ई के खाते आई क्वेश्चन में अल्फा माइनस के ए प्लस बीटा ई के खाते आई क्वेश्चन में ए प्लस के क्वेश्चन ए इक्वल टू सी ई के खाते माइनस सी के खाते माइनस क्वेश्चन में बीटा माइनस आई के बी प्लस डी ई के खाते बीटा प्लस आई के क्वेश्चन बी इक्वल टू आई माइनस अल्फा माइनस के ए ई के खाते आई क्वेश्चन में अल्फा माइनस के क्वेश्चन ए माइनस आई क्वेश्चन में अल्फा प्लस के बीटा ई के खाते माइनस आई क्वेश्चन में अल्फा प्लस के क्वेश्चन ए इक्वल टू बीटा माइनस आई के क्वेश्चन सी ई के खाते माइनस क्वेश्चन में बीटा माइनस आई के क्वेश्चन बी माइनस बीटा प्लस आई के क्वेश्चन डी ई के खाते क्वेश्चन में बीटा प्लस आई के क्वेश्चन बी दीज इक्वेशन आर यूज्ड टू डिटरमाइन द constant a comma b comma c and d these equation will have non-vanished solution only if the determinant of coefficient a comma b comma c and d vanished thus determinant is 1 क्वेश्चन में आई क्वेश्चन में a माइनस के e के खाते आई क्वेश्चन में a माइनस के अल्फा 1 आई क्वेश्चन में अल्फा माइनस के क्वेश्चन e के खाते आई क्वेश्चन में अल्फा माइनस के क्वेश्चन ए 1 माइनस आई क्वेश्चन में ए प्लस के ई के खाते माइनस आई क्वेश्चन में ए प्लस के ए माइनस आई क्वेश्चन में ए प्लस के इंटू ई के खाते माइनस आई ए प्लस के ए 1 बटा 1 बीटा माइनस आई के ई खाते माइनस क्वेश्चन में बीटा माइनस आई के क्वेश्चन बीटा बीटा माइनस आई के क्वेश्चन इंटू ई के खाते माइनस क्वेश्चन में बीटा माइनस आई के क्वेश्चन बीटा 1 माइनस बीटा क्वेश्चन में बीटा प्लस आई के ई खाते बीटा प्लस आई के क्वेश्चन बीटा माइनस क्वेश्चन में बीटा प्लस आई के क्वेश्चन ई खाते बीटा प्लस आई के इक्वल टू 0 On solving this determinant we get beta square plus alpha square बटा 2 बीटा अल्फा साइन बीटा बी साइन ए अल्फा ए प्लस कास एच बीटा बी कास अल्फा ए इक्वल टू कास के क्वेश्चन में ए प्लस बी 13 इक्वेशन 13 इज क्वाइट complicated and solve it knowing Pine made a assumption that as v naught tends to 0 v equal to tends to 0 in such way beta naught b remains finite under the above assumption. The model of the potential takes such that a form where potential wells are very deep but very small widths as b tends to 0 sin h beta b tends to beta b and cos h beta b tends to 1. Also from equation 3 we have beta square plus alpha square बटा 2 बीटा अल्फा इक्वल टू m v नॉट बटा के अल्फा बीटा एच स्क्वायर देयरफॉर इक्वेशन 13 m v नॉट b बटा के a अल्फा एच स्क्वायर साइन अल्फा a प्लस कास अल्फा a इक्वल टू कास के a दिस इक्वेशन p is defined p इक्वल टू m v नॉट b a बटा के एच स्क्वायर here which is measured of the area v नॉट b of the potential barrier thus increasing p has the physical meaning of binding an electron more strongly to a particular potential well using इक्वेशन 15 इक्वेशन 14 becomes p sin अल्फा a बटा के अल्फा a प्लस कास अल्फा a इक्वल टू कास के a. This is the condition which must be satisfied for the solution to the wave equation to exist. Since the RHS of equation 16 cos ka can takes value between plus and minus, the LHS of equation 16 should assume only those value a for which the value of lies between plus 1 and minus 1. Such value of a therefore represent wave takes like solution of types equation 6 and allowed the other value of AA are not allowed taking P equal to 3 pi बटा के 2 the LHS equation 16 is plotted against alpha A as shown in figure 13 the value of LHS plotted in figure 13 at limited by the term in RHS to within plus and minus in figure 13 the abscissa or x-axis represent alpha A and alpha represent energy alpha square equal to 2me बटा के h square the abscissa effectively represent energy therefore the range of allowing value the function p sin alpha A बटा के alpha A plus cos alpha A will represent the allowed range of energy or the allowed energy bands and the range of unallowed value of the function p sin alpha A बटा के alpha A plus cos alpha A will represent the unallowed range of energy of forbidden bands. Thus an electron is periodically potential of a crystal with have allowed range of energy separately by forbidden energy gaps. The allowed energy band have been set in figure 13 p बटा के alpha A sin alpha A plus cos alpha A plot of p sin alpha A बटा के alpha A plus cos alpha A of vanish alpha A using p equal to 3 pi बटा के 2 other remarkable feature in figure 13 as follows the पहला the allow there are allow energy bands and forbidden energy band. दूसरा as alpha A increases the width of allow energy bands increases and hence forbidden energy band become narrower. तीसरा the width of a particular allowed energy band decreases with the increasing the value of p with increasing the binding energy of electrons as p tends to 0. The allowed energy bands are compressed into energy level and a line spectrum is resulted. In such a case equation 16 has the solution only if sin alpha A is equal to 0 alpha A is equal to n plus minus n pi when n is the integer. Therefore from equation 3 we have E is equal to alpha square h square बटा 2m is equal to n square pi square h square बटा 2m a square. This expression gives the energy level of a particle is constant potential box of atomic dimension. The energy level is in this case are discrete and the electron is completely bound. This is a physical expected result because the large p makes the turning through the barrier almost impossible. In the other extreme case when p tends to 0 equation 16 becomes cos alpha A is equal to cos k alpha is equal to alpha square is equal to k square. Therefore the equation 3 gives E is equal to h square k square बटा 2m. This is applicable to completely for electron for which all the energy are allowed. Thus p approaching 0 the electrons becomes free and therefore the free electrons model involving quasi continuous energy level becomes applicable. The effect of varying p on the band structure is shown in figure 14. On the extreme left p is equal to 0 the energy stream is quasi continuous and on the extreme p is equal to infinity as line spectrum result for any other value of p. The position of and width of allowed the forbidden bands obtained drawing the vertical line variation of bandwidth p. Energy E versus wave vector k represented in difference zone scheme. There are 3 zones scheme in which the energy band run. The periodically of repeated zone scheme. दूसरा the standard zone scheme. तीसरा the reducing zone scheme. पहला the periodic zone scheme. Since the value of cos k can be obtained from equation 16 and 12 for each allowed energy value E can possibly plot E and function of k since cos k Ka is the even periodic function of Ka with periodic 2 pi n being an integer. The energy E of the electrons is also and even periodic function K with periodically 2 pi बटा के a. This periodic repeated of the allowed energy value corresponding to the each allowed band can be represented as being obtained by periodic repeated of region minus pi by a less than k less than pi by a for both of k space and is shown in figure 15. Such representation is called periodic or repeated zone scheme. In such scheme every band is drawn in every zone, but k is not included, determined by drawing a horizontal line corresponding to the single energy value. Only once can obtain a large number of k value. However, to obtain k value uniquely we have discussed other scheme. ये जा रहा है -4 पाई बटा के -2 पाई बटा के 0 2 पाई बटा के 4 पाई बटा के. Periodic or repeated zone scheme represented of E and K curve. The extended zone scheme यही है extended zone scheme represent of E K curve. In the scheme as shown in figure, 16 different bands are drawn in different zone in K space. We note that EK curves of extended zone scheme is not continuous and have discontinuous at k is equal to plus minus n pi bata ke a, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, where k value also define the difference beryllium zone. The first zone lies in the range minus pi by a to pi by a. The second constant zone constant of two parts, one extended from pi by a to pi by a and the other parts extended from minus pi by a to minus 2 pi by a. Similarly, the zone also constitutes two parts, one on the positive side and other on the corresponding negative side. By substituting k is equal to 2 pi bata ke lambda and the above equation we get n lambda is equal to 2a, which is Bragg's large deflection for normal incident. Thus it is follow that the value of k as given by k is equal to plus minus n pi bata ke a, the electron suffer Bragg's reflection, which result the discontinuity in the EK curves. In this case, an electron was wave reflected from zone boundary and reflected from the opposite boundary. The incident and reflected wave referred between them and produced two resultant wave. The resultant wave have different energy density. This difference in two value of energy density causes the energy gap at zone boundary. तीसरा, the reducing zone scheme. The EK value curve is reduced zone scheme is shown in figure 17. It is possible to the higher energy band back into the first beryllium zone minus pi by a less than k less than pi by a by suitably translating the wave vector high zones with the reciprocal lattice vector such as k is equal to k dash minus g, where k dash lies outside the beryllium zone while k lies within first beryllium zone. So the energy इस में k of high band is equal to इस में k in the first zone. Reducing zone scheme represented of EK curve. 14वां, momentum, velocity and effective mass on electrons derive the Kronig-Penney model. Crystal momentum, we know that we know about the physical quantities such that the momentum, velocity and mass which is associated a particle. However, when the electrons moves in a periodic potential, these quantities assume a slightly differential meaning. Let us consider momentum. According to de Broglie concept, moment is equal to hk and h is equal to h bata 2 pi is reduced Planck's constant and k is equal to 2 pi bata lambda. The wave vector, the energy of the particle is given by E is equal to h square k square bata 2m is equal to p square bata 2m is equal to 1, where p is equal to mv is equal to momentum. In classical mechanics, the equation 1 also written as p is equal to hk is equal to under root में 2mk, equation number 2. However, when the electron moves in periodically potential. The potential experiments by electrons does not necessarily satisfy equation 2 when the energy of the is very high. Equation 2 is satisfied in instantaneous potential is seen in the crystal by moving electrons in crystal and momentum, and this quantity is constant of momentum minus pi by a minus k0 0 plus k0 plus pi by a 18 plot of E K curve in beryllium zone plus minus k naught indicate point the inflection. Velocity of electron. The velocity of electron in ordinary space is also different from the velocity of electron. The periodic potential is a crystal. For discussing the velocity of an electron is a periodic potential, the only way is to consider EK relation. For electrons, consideration of EK curves of the electron only first beryllium zone is sufficient to give all the information about electron. The EK curves of an electron wave passing through the one-dimensional lattice with a lattice constant is shown through its first beryllium zone in figure 18. Variation of electron velocity with k, k plus minus k naught indicates plot of the inflection. As the electrons move, the periodic potential of crystal, a wave pocket, is associated with the motion of electrons. The electron moving with velocity v is equivalent to a wave pockets moving with group velocity v is equal to d omega bata dk, where omega is singular velocity. The wave as E is equal to h omega, v is equal to d omega bata dk is equal to 1 by h de bata dk. Equation number 3. It means that the velocity of an electron is given by first derivative of E and respect to k in the EK curve. The first derivative of curve in figure 18 is shown in figure 19, which shown the velocity of the electron in the first half of zone 0 to plus pi by a. The velocity of k, the electron first increases and attains a maximum value of k is equal to k naught inflection point. Then after the point of reflection, the velocity start decreasing at near k is equal to plus pi by a. The velocity goes to 0. The velocity curve from 0 to minus pi by a is obtained from the inversion of the curves of 0 to plus pi by a. Now we compare the velocity of a electron with the electron is periodically potential according to Kronig-Pondal. Free electron is equal to h square बटा h square k square बटा 2m, v is equal to 1 by h, de बटा d k is equal to 1 बटा h, h square 2k बटा 2m is equal to h k बटा 2m is equal to p by m. Variation of effective mass with k. Thus for free particle v proportional to k, but for an electron is periodically potential. The variation of velocity is shown in figure 19. Effective mass electron. The motion of effective an electron is periodically potential of the crystal is different from an electrons in free space. Therefore, to describe the behavior of electrons in crystal, the different value of particle mass of or effective mass m star must be used in the place of free mass m. The value of effective mass m star may be much larger than much smaller than m. Suppose an electron is moving in a crystal in the presence of applied electric field Xi. The external force acting on the electrons Xi. Suppose that the electrons travel distance dx in the time dt. According to the work energy theorem, the increase in energy of the electrons is given by d is equal to E Xi dx. The electrons gain velocity v and dx is equal to v dt. de is equal to E Xi dx is equal to E Xi dt. समीकरण नंबर 4. Substituting the value of v from equation 3 in equation 4, we get de is equal to E Xi बटा h de बटा dk dt. dk is equal to E Xi बटा h dt. dk बटा डी टी इक्वल टू ई एक्स आई बटा एच। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 के एच डी के बटा डी टी इक्वल टू डी पी बटा डी टी इक्वल टू ई एक्स आई इक्वल टू एफ। 6 वेयर पी इज क्रिस्टल मोमेंट। इक्वेशन 6 न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशन। इलेक्ट्रॉन इज periodically potential because it states that the rate of change of momentum is equal to force the acceleration of the electron is obtained by differentiating equation 3 with respect to t। a equal to dv बटा dt equal to h 1 बटा h डी स्क्वायर ई बटा डी के स्क्वायर डी के बटा के डी टी। यूजिंग इक्वेशन 5 वी गेट a equal to dv बटा dt equal to ई एक्स आई बटा एच स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर ई बटा डी के स्क्वायर या फिर इक्वल टू ई एक्स आई इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर बटा के डी स्क्वायर ई बटा डी के स्क्वायर ए एम स्टार ए इक्वल टू 7 एम स्टार इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर बटा के डी स्क्वायर ई बटा डी के स्क्वायर। इफेक्टिव मास द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर मास इन इक्वेशन 7 इज कॉल्ड इफेक्टिव मास एंड द कैन बी ऑब्टेन बाय डिफरेंशिएटिंग द वेलोसिटी कर्व इन फिगर 19 as shown in figure 20. This indicates that effective mass of an electron is not constant but depends on the value of d square e bata dk square on the shape of ek curve. The effective mass is positive near the bottom of the energy bands and negative near the top of energy bands. It becomes infinitive at the inflection points of ek curve. Thus, electron behave as a positively charged particle in the upper half of the band. It is generally convenient to introduce a factor f sub equal to m bata m star, which measured then the extent up to which electrons behave as free electron. If f sub equal to 1, the electrons behave totally as free electron. The concept of effective mass has physical significance provided the satisfactory description about the charge carriers in crystal. In crystal, such alkyl metal which have partially fills energy band, the conduction takes mainly through electrons. However, in crystal for which the energy band is nearly full except the few electrons vaccinate near the top of the band, this negative mass vaccinate may be considering the positive charge and positive mass particle has holes which act as the charge carrier produce conduction. Distinct between insulator, semiconductor and metal. With the knowledge of band structure, it possible to predict whether solid is a good conductor or bad conductor. The electricity we discussed below how insulator, semiconductor and metals may be disguised on the basis of qualitative difference the band structure. We know that number of energy state in band is equal to the permittive cells n in the crystal. Since each state can accommodate 2 electrons of opposite sign, a number 2n electrons would require to fill band completely. There, if a primitive cell contribute an even number of electrons to bands, the bands would be completely filled. In a monotonically crystal in which each has one valence electron, bands will be fully occupied. If there are 2 atoms in primitive cell with 2 valence electrons per atom, only one atom in the cell will fill the band completely. Solid in which one or more bonds are completely filled and all other are completely empty, as shown in figure 21a, behave as insulator at 0 k. The lowest allowed empty band is preceded by a region of forbidden energy gap each greater than 5 electron volt across. With such electrons needs the excited for conductor. Since the electrons field can give this amount of energy and electron resistance, the material occupy energy bands, insulator, metals, semiconductor and semiconductors है, यही देख लीजिए. Since the electric field not this amount of an electron existence, the material We have an insulator. An example of this type of material, diamond, which have band gap of 6 electron volt, which when the energy gap is range of an electron volt, the material so the conductivity intermediate to value insulator and metals have materials is classified as a semiconductor, pure semiconductor, or insulator are absolute zero. However, and infinite temperature for the same electrons get excited thermally to the higher impurity band as shown in figure 21d. An example of this type of material in silicon, which has the band gap of about 1.2 electron volt. On the other hand, its number of valence electrons per permittivity cell is an odd number. The top most occupied band is only partially filled as shown in figure 21b. This partially filled bands is known as conduction band. Such a material shown in the flow of current on the application of an electric field, thus solid and are thus good conductor of electricity and are called metals. Alkyl metals or nodal metals are best example of this, where one valence electron is contributed by each primitive cells and the highest bands exactly have filled. The alkyl earth metals which have no valence electrons are per primitive cell so metallic characteristic because of the overlapping of empty band with the filled band. The overlap only saved the alkyl earth metal from being insulated. They are good conductor and electricity has alkyl metal. They are classified of semiconductor metal. Concept of holes. The concept of holes is easily explained with the help of EK diagram as shown in figure 22. In figure 20b to b there is absence of electron, state b the absence of electron or an empty state known as well. In figure 22a the wave vector of electron b is k, whereas the electron wave vector of the electron b dash is s minus is k minus k. Therefore, the total wave vector is field energy band is 0. Figure 22b the wave vector the electron b not completed since the electron b dash is absent. Therefore, the empty holes acts on a partially having a wave vector k suffix में h, k suffix में h minus k suffix में e b. A holes act positive charge. Its charge is positive electron, whereas the charge of electron is minus negative c. If an electric field applied to the band, the electron moves the opposite direction to the direction field. Therefore, the hole said to moving along the direction of field which same velocity as the electron. V suffix में h is equal to b suffix में e. The effective mass is inversely proportional to the curvature d square e bata dk square. Hence, for an electrons at the top of valence band, the effective mass is negative. Effective mass of the holes positive since the holes opposite to that electrons. यही है डायग्राम ई के डायग्राम वैलेंस बैंड विथ ए आल एंड आल स्टेट फिल्ड बी विथ एम्प्टी स्टेट, यही सब है फिगर देख लीजिएगा कंप्लीट। ओम नमः शिवाय।